Hey guys, how's it going? Excited to be sharing this with you. So, very quickly, what we do is making sure we can get coaches and consultants from here, low revenue, to here, much higher revenue, by doing a few little things, right? One is we try to get more people to show up to their sales calls. Two, we want to activate their old leads. Three, we want to make sure we're engaging these leads instantly through multiple channels. 4, persistently following up with them. And 5, qualifying every lead. Because we can use AI to use multiple channels to talk to these people, we can get all these done. And because we can get all these done, this means their costs decrease over time. Their operational costs go down, their acquisition, etc. All this just makes them more money. And to kind of dive deeper, how we do this is by building these AI agents. How we do that is through our SaaS platform that we built. So this is the example. So when you go in, you will see basically a bunch of agents. I'll show you this one. What the agent does is it's one thing that has memory across a lot of different channels. So voice, SMS, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, there's a bunch, okay? And what we can do with these is essentially make sure that we are very persistent with a follow-up, and it's like a salesperson and an agent with a mission to make sure we book a meeting, or which is the sales call, or get a no. And right now you can see some people, we are running some campaigns for a bunch of our clients, and we can also monitor a lot of those campaigns right here. Quickly, pretty simple. And what we do is we embed these agents into the funnels for our clients using these automation platforms as well. So there's a lot of integrations we do, such as HubSpot. But aside from that, all we're trying to do is make sure we are getting our clients who have high ticket services to increase their revenue by handling all of these with our sales agents.